What if I told you that some people make profits every day just by buying and selling crypto between users? No complicated technical analysis, no expensive setups, just smart buying and selling. In this video, I'll explain how P2P trading works, how traders make profits, the strategies beginners use, and mistakes to avoid if you want to stay profitable. So here is my screen right now. I'm going to be giving you a live example and I'll be giving you some advices on how B2B trading works. So let me use my own ad as an example for this video. So my payment method is actually Skrill I'm using for now. So if you go to Skrill, you see something like this. Yeah, you can see that I am my ads is one of the top ads over here. So let's say my ad I have like 337 USDT. So let's say someone buys the USDT for me. So you click on buy, you can see my rows. So that's my rows there. So let's say the person wants to buy 300 USDT. So you can see that 300 USDT is actually about 362.5 euro. So let me create another tab so that I'll switch between the tabs and show you some the examples. So yeah, I want to show you an example so you see how profit is being made. So this is Skrill. You can see how much it is to buy. You buy for 8.5, 0.850. Then you can see the for here in screw, you can see that it is actually 0.865 that is the lowest price here. But let's say I'm doing this with my price here. So if you are going to sell, let me use the different tab. Let me put this tab on sell only so that I can explain properly. So imagine someone buying 300 USDT for 262.50. Then I now want to post my ads. Let's say I'm buying from the person at 0.851, but let's just put the range at 0.85. Let's say I have an ad here competing with this top price. So I'll just put 300 USDT. You can see this is 255.00, while this is 262.50. So you can see the difference. This is actually um 7.5 euro difference. But the thing with Skrill is that they remove certain fees and all of that. So imagine they removing the fee. I think the fee should be around 1.5%. So let's say 1.5% of this amount should be like 2.5 euro or something like that. So you still make about 5 euro from this transaction. So this is how you do it, make money from P2P trading daily. Sometimes you can make 5 euros, sometimes the your price range can vary, it can be very wide. You can make up to 20 euro from a trade or stuff like that. It depends on the amount you put. I'm just using the 300 USDT as example. So the more you invest, the more profit you get. So I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll just be talking basically on the adverts and the profits that you can make. So what I advise is that, like now, you see that people this person has already put an advert here. So what you should try to do is that you should try to check the adverts consistently, because before I started making the video I was like the top here, but somebody just came put an advert. So every 30 minutes all you need to do is to come and check, oh, is my advert still on top? Because if your advert is not on top, somebody can come and push you down and your advert might not be the sweetest. So just look for the price that benefits you. It's not compulsory that, oh, because my advert is on the top. As you can see now, this is 85 euros to 296. So you need to go within the range that you feel that you maybe other people are not doing. For example, this person is starting from 100 euro. Anyone that wants to buy a USDT worth of 85 euro to 100 euro will surely come to me. They won't come to this person or even this person here. So the first person they will actually come to is me. Anyone that wants to buy between 85 euro to 296. Any other person that is buying above 200 euro will actually come to me too. So you need to look at all these strategies, like which one, what is your target audience, the people that you want them to buy from you, and also it applies this in when you're also creating an ad for buying from people. You once your ad here, once the your ad shows on the sell sign, it means that you are the one buying from people. Then on the buy side, it means that you are the one selling. So that means people are coming to you to buy, while here you are buying from people. So that's how it is. It's as simple as that. So I hope this video was beneficial to you. I'm going to be making some other videos giving you tips on all these accounts, all these online accounts that you're using. So hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Do well to like, subscribe, share, and comment any questions you have below.